Look. Hi guys, welcome to Uncooking. So today I'm gonna come to pick up the lotus. This flower. So it's a big liver on that side, but this one is like very small one. By the way, I'm a bit scared. Yeah. So I'm gonna pick up the lotus, the pink color one, whatever. So today I'm gonna cook some like the lotus with the fish and the coconut milk. Oh. Yay! We got one. Oh my god. I don't know what inside the water. Woohoo! Woohoo! I got two. And I have to go all the way there. Let me put here first. Ooh. Why is a lot that? Oh my god. I think I'm gonna get like 3 or 5. Oh. One more, just only one more. Yay! Yeah! Yay! Finally we got them. Okay. You know what? I think it's enough for making because they have like 2 left there and 2 left there. Just make them grow up. So next time someone can pick up them. Look. I'm gonna take this as well to home. Probably gonna be a lot as well. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Here, the liver, the big liver. So I'm gonna put this in the water first, and then actually I need to shower first before I cooking. So we have to put them in the water. So we need to clean up first, definitely. Yeah, we have to take it off that thing like this. We need only the inside one. So we just use only this one and that's it. We cannot add this one. Let me try what the taste gonna be like when it's not cooked. It's water. I can't smell the water. I have to clean like very deep clean. Oh my god. So all the ingredients gonna be the stick of the lotus and the fish, onion, tamarind, shrimp paste, and coconut milk. Easy. So now we're gonna grill the fish first. By the way, the fish already cooked. We just like making nice flavor. They're pretty nice though, but we cannot eat them. The smell so good. Okay. Oh, nice smell. I'm gonna put the onion, like 2 of these. So put the coconut first. I'm gonna put the trim plate, just only like this much. We're not gonna put that much because the smell really strong. And then now I'm gonna put the tamarind. So the taste gonna be sour, salty, and a little bit sweet. So I'm gonna put the palm sugar in as well. I'm gonna put palm sugar in. I think gonna be like just nice. Stir them again together, and I'm gonna put the water. Ooh, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna, ooh, still hot. Take off this. Put it in. This. So when they cook, they're gonna be like a green color one. Oh look, they become a green. Ooh. Nice. Okay, let me try. Ooh, because I can smell the fish as well. So you know what? I'm gonna have the lotus stick with the fish and the soup. Ah, I can't smell the water anymore, and I smell like the shrimp paste, the tamarind, and a good smell is a coconut with the grilled fish. It's so yummy. Ah, it's so good. Woo, you know what? So the best person who tried this, because my grandfather loved it so much, but my grandmother passed away already for a long time, and then no one cooking for him. I really want to cook this because I miss my grandmother. I'm gonna let my grandfather try as well. Just put in here. And with the fish as well. Look. They doesn't look like nice, but they are yummy.
อร่อยเยี่ยม
Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ